फोंड्याचे पोटवेंचणुकेचे फाटभुंयेर एक म्हत्वाची बसका जाली। गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीचे अध्यक्ष अमित पाटकर हांणी दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण पीसीचे बसकेत उमेदवाराचेर चर्चा जाली। हे बसकेत केतन भाटीकाराचें नांव एकमतान निवडलें। आता हें नांव निमाणे मान्यताये खातीर सीएसी कडेन धाडटले। केतन भाटीकाराक आदले काँग्रेसीच्या कार्यकर्त्यांचो तेंको आसतलो अशा प्रस्नाचेर पाटकर उलयले। आमी भाजपाक हारोवपाक सगळे भाजपा विरोधी एकठांय येयल्या तेन्ना हे पोटवेंचणुकेत विजय आमचोच जातलो। आता हें नांव निमाणे मान्यताये खातीर सीएसी कडेन धाडटले। सीएसीचो निमाणो निर्णय जाल्या उपरांत काँग्रेसीचो अधिकृत उमेदवार जाहीर जातलो।
आज आमची प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटीची मिटींग आशिल्ली। आमचे सगळे प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटीचे मेंबर्स, आमचे आदले खासदार, आमचे सिनियर वायस प्रेसिडेंट, आमचो CLP लिडर, आमदार आनी ह्या मिटिंगेक आमकां एक एप्लिकेशन आयलें आनी PEC has decided to recommend one name to our CEC, and now CEC finally will take the call and they will approve it. So we'll wait for our CEC to officially declare the candidate.
कोणाचें नांव सद्या?
केतन भाटीकाराचें नांव we have recommended. The Pradesh Election Committee has recommended his name, but ultimately आमची CEC जी आसा, the supreme authority, who will approve that name and then it will be declared.
So only one name as of now, or more names will be?
एकूच नाव आमी recommend PEC. Everybody was of the opinion, and we had got one application. So basis that we have recommended the same.
सो तुमकां राजेश मेळपाक तेंच्यांनी कोणाल कितें कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक तें मातशें कितें
ताणें बायट दिला दिसता मरे. He had come, he had met me, so he said that समज party decides, and he showed his willingness that केतन भाटीकाराक he has joined us बऱ्या उमेदीन आनी ताका इलेक्शन लडपाची उमेद आसा. सो ही सेड दॅट लेट हिम कॉन्टेस्ट. आय विल सपोर्ट हिम. आय थिंक ही इज ऑलरेडी ब्रीफ द मिडिया ऑल्सो. आय थिंक इन द आफ्टरनून
थोड्या तुमच्याच काँग्रेस लिडर्सांनी हें केल्लें की केतन भाटीकारा तो डिफेक्ट करून परतो एका वयतलो बीन म्हणून. सो ते कशें कितें करता समज इलेक्ट जावन येयलो जाल्यार मातशें
आज वी आर फायटींग द BJP आनी म्हाका दिसता फूल आवर एंटायर टीम, आमचे सगळे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह, आमचे फूल ऑर्गनायझेशन यू विल सी ऑन ग्राउंड इन पोंडा. I'm telling this that Congress party is winning that Ponda by-election, which will set a narrative for 2027. People of Ponda has decided that Congress is winning there. So we will all, you will see us fighting very strongly against the BJP.
Ponda कार्यकर्ता था happy with this decision. Ponda कार्यकर्ता था happy.
फोंड्याचे कार्यकर्ते
Obviously, recommendation has come from them, and it is discussed in the PEC. And same we have recommended to our CEC.
Dynamics in Ponda, people have shown interest and given their suggestions. And आमचे desk in charge म्हाका दिसता party president also will announce that this name will now be sent to CEC. In detail, I think now shortly party president will speak, our desk in charge will speak and let you know. It was unanimous. Everyone within the PEC, what is the decision, they will address to me.
ही एक आशिल्लें तें म्हणल्यार की ग्रँड अलायन्सचे उलयताले तुमी सद्या ते फोंड्या बायपोलार जातले काय अजून तिथे डिस्कस चालू आसा?
So कितें आहा आतां कॅन्डिडेट आमगे फायनल कोण तो पयलीं आउट जाता. I have to tell that to the other political parties. So definitely through the medium it goes from a political forum and they will address it and we will make sure, try to get all the political parties together.
Okay.